Standing in the mountain posture, grounded your whole body. Inhale, reach your arms upward, nicely stretch your whole body, and exhale, palms in front of the heart center. Take another deep inhale, reach your arms up toward the sky. Open your heart and then arch backward. Open your heart and exhale, fold forward. Relax your whole body, relax your trunk, your leg, your head. Inhale, link forward, and exhale, jump to chaturanga. Inhale, upper facing dog. Lift your chest up, open your heart, roll the shoulders back and down. Inhale, downward facing dog. Nicely stretch your whole body, spread your fingers, push your palms into the ground. Inhale, splits in downward facing dog, and exhale, right foot to the right hand, and relax your body, and just take a deep inhale to triangle posture. Roll the left shoulder out and the left hand hold the right inner side so that the left shoulder can open even more. Stay here deeply, inhale and exhale, and then come to the relaxation posture, and then move back to chaturanga. Inhale, lift your heart, roll the shoulders back and down, nicely open, and exhale, downward facing dog. Deeply and consciously breathe. Take a few breathing here and relax your whole body. And inhale, left leg upward to splits, downward facing dog. Inhale, move the left foot to the left hand, and then extra rotate the right hip to triangle posture. Roll the right shoulder out. So prepare our body to the philo posture. Inhale, stretch your arms, open your heart, and exhale, relax your body. Relax your trunk into the left leg, and then step into chaturanga. Inhale, upper facing dog, open your heart, roll the shoulders back and down. Exhale, downward facing dog. Deeply and consciously breathe. And let's practice some balancing posture to prepare the philo posture. Inhale and exhale, move the right foot to the right hand. And then inhale to reverse warrior, open your right side of your body, and then move the right hand in front of the right toes and directly move to the half moon posture. In this posture, try to push the left heel away from the left hip. Open your heart, and then bend the left knee. Left hand hold the left ankle so that you can open the left hip and the left shoulder even more. And inhale, come back to the reverse warrior and open your heart. Stretch the right side of your body, and exhale, move your body to chaturanga. Inhale, upper facing dog, open your body, open your shoulders, open your heart, and exhale, downward facing dog. Deeply and consciously breathe. Rest your body, relax your body for a while. Inhale, left leg up to splits, downward facing dog. Do the same, and move the left foot to the left hand. Take a deep inhale, move your body directly to the reverse warrior. Open your heart, feel your heart opening, and exhale to half moon posture. Push the right heel away from the right hip. Open your heart, and then bend the right knee. Right hand hold the right ankle. Open the right hip, open the right shoulder as much as possible, and stay here deeply and consciously breathe. And then Inhale, come back to the reverse warrior and deeply stretch, open your heart, and exhale, move to chaturanga. Let's prepare the last final posture. Inhale, open your heart, roll the shoulders away from the ears. Exhale, downward facing dog. Deeply and consciously breathe. Allow the deep breathing. Bring the relaxing feeling into your whole body. And inhale, split downward facing dog. And exhale, move the right foot forward. Inhale to reverse warrior. And exhale to extended side angle stretch. And then roll the left arm backward and the right arm cross over the right knee, right hand hold the left wrist. Do your best, stretch the left arm and so that the left shoulder can open to the most. And then stretch the right knee to triangle bound posture. Inhale to bound side angle posture. Deep and consciously breathe. And then step the left foot forward. Grounded the left foot down to the ground. And then use the strength of the left leg to lift your whole body upward. And when you're here, try to open the hips, steady your body, and then reach the right toes into the sky and point the right toes into the sky. Stretch the right knee, open the hips, open the right shoulder, steadily look forward. And when you are ready, lower down your body to the ground and move the left foot back to side angle, bound side angle posture, and then stretch your left arm over the left ear, back to chaturanga. Inhale, upper facing dog, open your heart, and exhale, downward facing dog. Deep and conscious breathe. Just allow yourself relax here for a few seconds. Inhale, left leg upward, and exhale, left foot forward. Inhale, reverse warrior, open your heart. Let's do another side, final posture. And then side angle stretch. Stretch the right arm over the right ear. Open your heart. Keep your body in the same alignment. And then left arm cross over the left leg. Right arm roll outward. And move your body to bound side angle posture and side bound triangle posture. In this posture, try to stretch the right arm as much as possible. Open the right shoulder. Do your best and open the right shoulder so that you can prepare the final posture. And then step the right foot forward. Stay grounded the right foot and use the strength of the right leg to lift your whole body upward. And when you are ready, stretch the left knee, stretch the left leg, point the left toes into the sky. Stay here as long as you feel comfortable. Just deeply and consciously breathe here. Deeply inhale and exhale. And then relax, come down and move back to bound side angle stretch posture, and then come to extended side angle stretch posture and move back to chaturanga. Inhale, upper facing dog, open your heart, feel satisfaction, and downward facing dog. Deep and consciously breathe. And then jump. Inhale, exhale. Relax the body here. take a few breathing. You can hold your elbows and inhale, reach arms upward, reach to the sky and arch backward. Allow your heart open and exhale.